Welcome to the future of power supply solutions. In a typical setup, one power supply operates a single light box. If one of the power supplies fails, the corresponding light box will stop working. To overcome this limitation, we introduce a parallel wiring connection. By adding parallel wires that connect each light box to the outputs of multiple power supplies, the load is shared equally between the supplies. This new design ensures automatic load balancing, so even if one power supply fails, the remaining supplies will adjust the load distribution, ensuring all light boxes stay operational. First, we will turn off one power supply to simulate a failure. In a typical setup, this would cause one of the light boxes to shut down. However, with our parallel wiring application, the remaining power supplies continue running all the light boxes, with only a slight reduction in brightness. Now, we'll turn off another power supply, leaving just one operational. Even with only one power supply running, all light boxes remain functional, with a further reduction in brightness, but no flickering or complete shutdown. This demonstration showcases how our parallel wiring system with auto-balancing ensures reliability and stability. Even in the event of power supply failure, the load is automatically distributed, providing consistent performance without interruptions.